In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your PayPal transaction history. So unfortunately, there is not a direct built-in way for you to do this, and there is no easy way either. If you want to actually delete your PayPal transaction history, then what you need to do is you need to close your PayPal account entirely. And that is basically going to hide your transaction history from everybody except PayPal themselves. So for legal reasons, PayPal does need to keep some sort of written record of your transactions and stuff like that, but they only keep it for a limited amount of time, typically only for a couple months or even a couple years at maximum. But after that time is up, then those transactions will forever be gone. So if you really need to delete your PayPal transaction history, here's what you would need to do. You would need to go to the top right, press onto the gear icon just like so, then go ahead and select on this option that says close your account, and you need to close your PayPal account. And that is going to wipe out your transaction history. So it is still going to be in the PayPal records, but no one else is going to have access to them except for PayPal, obviously. So keep that in mind before you do it. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.